I'm really so proud of you, my dear students. Keep up the amazing work, never give up, never give in. There's an answer to everything. Keep practicing photography in your daily life and do your best. You are amazing and I do believe in you. Just keep up the process on and everything will be better with you, and you are doing such an amazing and unique work. So all my best wishes for you. It's me, Aber Afeef, and I really wish you all the best in your life and in your photography path. Have a nice day.